beautiful friends, my name is Anna. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am going to show you how to make French toast sticks. I love French toast, but I love French toast sticks even more because I think that's just easier, and today we are going to bake them. So it's perfect for meal prep. It's perfect if you're making brunch. You can just pop them into the oven and just kind of like forget about them until they're done. And it's a lot easier. I'm going to show you how to make them in the oven, and then I'm going to show you how to make them on the stove because you can make them both way. I personally like the oven more. I think they come out a little bit crispier, but it's up to you how you want to make these. Let me run you through the list of ingredients very quickly so we can get started. You're going to need some salt, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, brown sugar. I have some nutmeg and cinnamon in there, some melted butter, and of course you're going to need some bread. So you can see I'm using a very thick style bread. I personally like to use a very thick bread like this one. This is some beautiful halal bread. You can also use, of course, some regular toast. Whichever bread you want to use, you can do sourdough, just like whatever bread you have. So as you saw, very simple ingredients. You might already have them on hand. And now we just have to bring this whole thing together. The first thing I'm gonna do is quickly slice my bread. I like to slice mine in 4 pieces because these ones are pretty big, but if you're using like something like Texas toast or something like that, you only cut them in 3. So we're gonna go down. Perfect. So you can see we got perfect sticks. I'm gonna do that with the remaining of the bread. And depending on how thick your bread is, you might need 6 to 8 slices for this amount of mixture. Now that we have our sticks ready to go, we're gonna go ahead and start our mixture. So you wanna crack 2 eggs. I'm making mine in a pie dish because I find that it's easier to dunk the bread in there. And here I'm just whisking my eggs very quickly just to give it a bit of a head start. So to it, we just add pretty much the rest of the ingredients. We add the milk, brown sugar, come on, cinnamon, and I'm just going to grate some nutmeg. You can use already ground nutmeg, but I love grinding my own. I think the flavor is a lot better, but okay, that looks good. And last but not least, we're gonna do a little bit of vanilla. Just like so. Okay, now we just combine everything. Okay, this looks pretty good, and make sure you already start preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so it can be ready by the time you're done with your sticks. I have a baking sheet here lined with some foil, and what you want to do is just dunk your sticks and place them on your baking sheet. Okay, just like so. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more. Here I have about half the sticks, and I just want to pop this in the oven already so I can show you how they will come out. So now we're going to brush the top of our sticks with some of that melted butter. These are going to go into our preheated oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. What you want to do is halfway, you want to flip them, brush them with a little more butter on the other side, and then pop them back in for the remaining of the time. Okay, so I already showed you how you can make it in the oven. Now I'm going to show you how to make it on the stove. What you want to do is just melt some butter. You want your heat on medium high. Now that your butter has completely melted, you're going to go ahead and just place your sticks right in there. Just like so. I'm gonna cook these on medium high for about 2 minutes on each side. You want it to get nice and crispy. Okay, they look great. Now we just want to flip them and continue cooking them for about 2 more minutes. And if you like, you can also do the sides just like that. So so it can get nice and crispy all around. My sticks are done, and I'm gonna show you how crispy and delicious. I mean, you can already see that color. And these are the ones that I made in the stove. The ones that I'm making in the oven are still in there. Can you guys see this color? This is a perfect French toast sticks. It's cooked perfectly. And here I have some maple syrup that I popped in the microwave for a few seconds because I like mine warm. Just how I like it. The sticks are cooked perfectly. They're a little crispy on the outside, but so soft, and the inside is just perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so it notifies you every time I post a video. Also, don't forget that the written recipe, it's on my website, which I always leave in the description box. So on to the next one. Bye bye.